If your nose starts playing trumpet, you're about to win a tiny battle. Science explains why, and how to do it without wrecking your ears. Sneezing is a reflex, your brain's emergency cleanup crew. Irritants trigger receptors, signals sprint to the brainstem, and boom. Diaphragm. Fires. Chest muscles fire, and face muscles fire in one coordinated blast. Myth. Holding a sneeze is safe. False. Back pressure can damage ears or sinuses. Boss move. Aim into a tissue, or aim into your elbow. Open your mouth slightly to reduce pressure, and let the blast out. Bonus. A full sneeze can reach over 100 miles per hour, so be proud, not reckless. Now go forth and sneeze responsibly, like a boss.